president has been very focused on fulfilling his responsibility to the American people. And we as a country have suffered over 500,000 deaths, more than any country in the world. So we're rightly focused on getting Americans vaccinated as soon as possible. And, as we've talked about, we're pleased with the progress, and there's yet a long road ahead. We know this is a global pandemic and that the virus has no borders. That's why the president the United States is providing the most funding of any country to COVAX, over $4 billion. It's why the president on his first day in office re-engaged with the WHO. And that's why just this morning, I participated in the Quad meeting with the president, and it was announced that we're working to achieve expanded manufacturing of safe and effective COVID-19 vaccines at facilities in India. As to AstraZeneca, we're following the exact same process that we did with the other 3 now approved vaccines, Moderna, Pfizer, and J&J. And just as we did with those vaccines, as we awaited for the completion of the clinical trial, and right now my understanding is that AstraZeneca is in the middle of its phase 3 trial, and then an FDA determination when they submit the data from the clinical trial. We have a small inventory of AstraZeneca so that if approved, we can get that inventory out to the American people as quickly as possible, as we just did with J&J. So AstraZeneca, we're awaiting the clinical trial and then the decision by the FDA and CDC.